Hello everyone, my name is Kadi and today I'm going to do a trade recap of the trade that I took today. Today is the 6th of March and today was actually a little bit of a different day, a little bit of a situation. But I took this trade with everyone in Doyle's group chat. Yeah, like he was live and we all took this trade together. And as you can see, it won. Um I will say that I had a trade in mind on MNQ earlier today, which was this setup right here, this supply setup. Now back it up. The thing is, I'm looking at the time, it's just so irritating. It's because I leave my house usually around like 8 o'clock because I have to go to work. I have to get to work. And I'm like 7 a.m. That's when I start my day. And I'm like here and I'm like waiting for a setup, don't see anything. Thought this might be something, but it don't tap. So I'm like, all right, whatever. And then literally 8 o'clock, this candle forms. And I'm like, bruh. Because I already know what's gonna happen. Even though I don't know what's gonna happen, right? Like I just intuitively felt like they was about to bless somebody else, not me, but some other people. And I was just like, bruh. But anyway, I left and I knew that the supply was gonna I don't know, I just felt like this is gonna take off. So yeah, when I'm in the trolley underground and I have no signal, this is what happens. I come up and I think I see, yeah, it already, yeah. I maybe got out of the tunnel maybe at like 8:50. And so if you put your short position, it already tapped 1-1, hit 1-1. In that right there. And then after, I think this is sometime I'm settled into work, right? But I'm not like, I don't know. I can't explain it. Oh, I know. Sorry. So Doyle, like you see the supply zone right here, right? Doyle wasn't feeling it. And this is something that I really need to stop like doing. After missing that trade, I was just like kind of like whatever, man. But I did see this setup, but I wasn't really thinking about going for it because I was like, I don't know, I just wasn't in the mood. Like I saw it, but I wasn't like looking at it and be like, yeah. And also added to that, Doyle wasn't also looking at it. So honestly, that should have been even more confluence to take it. But in the moment, I was just like, yeah, no, I'm just like, I don't, no, no. And guess what I end up doing? Shit. So yeah, so let's back it up, and then I ain't take nothing on MAQ. So let's back it up and go to gold. So gold around the same time MNQ's trade took like went to like a 1 to 3, gold formed this demand zone, and this was the trade that Doyle was thinking to take. And so once the candle went back down and we got a break, we were in, put the 1-1 down, and 1-1, a couple of candles, and TP got hit, and I believe it went further. I think, yeah, it went for a 1 to 2, and then I think it continued to go back down for a little bit. It stopped you out. Maybe it continued back up. I don't know. Well, let's just find out. It's like ranging. All right. Well, it's doing its thing. It's ranging right now. So yeah, it's whatever. But what I want to say about this trade is, you know, so like I'm on Iron Beam and I'm on the mobile app because again I'm at work, right? Like I can't just have it on my screen and just be like, oh yeah, yeah, I'm trading. No, so I have to have it on my phone. So I don't put a TP on Iron Beam because I'm not gonna. It's not to say it's hard, but it's just like it's not. I don't know how to get the exact same levels as I do on Trading View, right? So like I usually just set the stop loss, but I get out manually. Um, so we was in a little bit of drawdown, then price came back up, and then price shot up back here. So when it hit 1 to 1, with this candle, I was on my phone trying to close a trade. And the trade on my, according to my mobile app, it was like, it wasn't closing. I was like I press exit and it wouldn't exit. So I kept on repeating it, pressing. And then I saw, this is me, that I accidentally got myself into like four buys. I mean, luckily it was buy, but then I saw negative $20, and I was just like, bro, what the fuck? Like it like made me so upset because it was like, okay, obviously, like I'm the one that pressed the button, no one is, but it was like the fact that I was like, it hit TP, I press exit once, nothing. It looked like I was still in the trade. So I start panicking because like I don't know what's gonna happen next, and my TP already got hit. So I'm pressing, and then I accidentally get myself into four other positions, and I'm like, oh my god, bro. So it's like I don't even know how much I made today. I don't know. I'll have to see what the statement says. It says like as far as day change, it says that I made $38, but like I don't know, cuz it was like it was weird because it was just glitchy, bro. And it was just, I don't like that shit is just not it, bro. But it's like whatever. At the end of the day, I was the one that pressed the button multiple times, and the buy button is not that far from the exit button, so I might have just clicked on it, even though I feel like I didn't, like, cause I remember just clicking exit. But it's whatever. Truthfully, whatever. Cause what can I do about it now, right? But I don't know how much I made, and then commissions and fees. It's probably gonna take like $11. So I'm at like 706, which is something that I'm like, kind of happy about because it was like my account was at like 614, and now it's at, well, now it, before commission and fees, it's at like 700. So I kind of feel like a little happy because it's like, oh my gosh, okay, we managed to grow it close to $100. Like, I know that I've never been able to do that before. So I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that like risk management is just really something that I'm like locked in on now, and I know how much I'm risking per every trade. And I always knew, but now I'm taking it like very seriously because um I just know how it's important, defining my risk before I just go in and see, like, yeah. So like, anyway, I'm just, yeah. Hold on. I really don't want this to be long, but I'm a talker. Okay, so I'm trying to make this like 10 minutes, and I have like 2 minutes left. Okay, today was a really hard day for me at work. It was hard for me to focus on working when all I could think about is trading, and this has been something that I looking at the time, this has been something that has been like plaguing me for, I guess, this whole week. It's just like I've just been thinking nonstop about trading and how much I believe in it, and I believe in myself, and how I'm going to be a consistently profitable trader, and all of these things, that it's like I'm losing my motivation to actually work at my day job. It's kind of reminds me of when Zuko lost his firebending, and like Israel Adesanya, he talked about this. It was like when Zuko lost his firebending, it was because all he had was just that urge, that fire to get the avatar. And then when he started to become buddy buddy with Aang, he didn't have that same drive before, and so he lost it. And that's exactly how I feel at work. It's like I have the drive for trading because I know that it's going to provide me a better life, a different life, time freedom, man. Come on now. And so it's just so hard to just lock in on these returns that I'm doing when it's like, bro, like, oh, I don't care, like I care way more about trading than this, like tenfold, 11-fold, thousandfold, right? So it's just hard. Okay. So that's all I wanted to say. Hopefully tomorrow we can see. I'll let you know what the statement looks like and see how much I lost or made. And yeah, okay. My name is Kadi. Have a great day. And it's under 10 minutes. Ah!